Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Some of y'all probably like. Today I will be making Caesar bacon potato salad. Yes y'all. Now so many people don't get the ranch style, so I said why not do the Caesar? I love Caesar anyway, so here you have it. I have my Caesar dressing that I will be using. Also I have season, if you've seen it, you know it's called the fish fry. But if you want to see exactly what's in it, you gotta look at my other video. I have my bacon that I already cooked, as well as my baked potatoes. And I know y'all like, okay, why you baked it? Why you didn't like cut it up and boil it? I got that from Mr. Making It Happy. Yeah, anything you could do a little quicker, count me in. Just make sure you wash that. I just put that on about 400 and cooked it for about 35 minutes. I'm going to be using my Mexican style cheese, but a lot of people just use cheddar cheese, but it really don't matter. And I have my green onion, you see right there, is already cut up. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm going to get started. I'm just going to take my spoon and take it out. And I know some people are like, oh, that is not look like maps. No. Now, if you want to be a perfectionist and boil yours and cut it all cubes, you can do that. But me, get somebody else to do it. So yeah, I'm just going to season that. And that's what my seasoning, just put a little bit in there. You don't overdo it because I'm going to be using the dressing. So just about a tablespoon should be good. And then I'm going to put in half of my green onion. I'm going to leave a little bit just to make sure I garnish it top. Now I'm pouring about half a cup of that dressing, that Caesar dressing. And I'm going to take a handful of that cheese that I have and just go ahead and put that inside as well and just fold it in. Not mix it, just fold it, because we don't want it to be like mush, like mashed potatoes. You feel me? It's already about there, so don't overdo it. Now I'm about to drop that BBL in there. And I know y'all like, what? You better put a badonkadonk in there. Badonkadonk. Let me know if y'all know what that is. No, silly, ain't about to put no badonkadonk in there. BBL is best believe lip smacking. Cause that's how that bacon gonna leave you. Now I left it a little chunky because that's how I want to eat it. But some people, you know, rip it up a little bit more to make it a little bit smaller. But it's up to you. You just want to fold that in as well. And then also you want to taste it before you finish with it. You want to taste it to make sure see I like it. And then yes, as you can see, it was to my liking. So I put that in the refrigerator to cool down for a few hours. I like mine's cold, but if you want yours a little hot, then go ahead and eat it right after you finish with it. And you can't tell me. To me, why it looks so good. Now I wanted to make this because I wanted to be a little different. I didn't want that ranch. As far as regular potato salad, I don't like. I don't matter who making it. I really don't too much like it. I'll eat it, but it'll probably be like one handful or two, if not that much. But that bacon one, I tried it a few years ago. When I tell you, I said, this is how they always make it. I was going to make it that way, but I was like, let me do it the Caesar way. And that's the way I wanted to do it. So as you can see, I'm getting into it. And when I tell you, it was so good. Like I said, I love Caesar dressing anyway. So yeah, just added it to it. It was so good. Oh my goodness. You taste the pop of the green onion, as well as it being a little cheesy, and the seasoning from the fried seasoning, as well as a little bit of seasoning from the Caesar. Oh my goodness. Then you know you can't go on with that bacon. Yes, y'all. That bacon makes everything better. But it ain't like it really needed because it was already good by itself. But now, like I said earlier, if you're not with the route that I went as far as baking it, and you're like, okay, that is too messy. That I don't like how that look. Well, go ahead and cut it up in cubes then. But as far as me, get somebody else to do it. But go ahead and use that Caesar dressing. You'll thank me later. Y'all have a blessed day.